This is Tim here from YourSixStudios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download TikTok on your Samsung tablet. So we want to locate the Google Play Store. Now I don't see it on here, so we can just swipe up, go to search, and type in store, S-T-O-R-E. And here's the Google Play Store. It's the one with the triangle. So you can see the Samsung store right there in the Galaxy shop. We can just go to the Google Play Store. This is probably the easiest way to do it. And here's all the different applications I have on my other devices. I'm just going to skip that and go to Not Now. And usually under recommendations, you can find TikTok right here on the home screen. Otherwise, just go to search and type in TikTok, search. And it will be one of the top applications right here. We can just go to it, go to install. And then it's going to be installed on your device. You should be able to see it under your app list now. Just give it some time. Looks like it's downloading 60% right now. Okay, it's downloaded. And you should be able to just open this up momentarily after it installs. Now, you might see it on the home screen. If not, just swipe up. It'll be at the bottom of your app list. You can just hold down on this and go to add a home screen. Then drag it to the home screen if you want. And then tap it and you can open it up now. And then log into your account or create an account. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.